Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. So for today's video, I'll be vlogging my trip to Tadoba. We have just reached our hotel here in Tadoba. Tadoba is about 3 hours drive from Nagpur airport. The property where we are staying is Jungle Camp Tadoba, and it's apparently a new property compared to the other properties over here. It is completely in the middle of a forest. All I can see from here is just forest all around. It's around 12 p.m. right now, and we have an evening safari. So there are three kind of safaris over here. One is the morning safari, then is the evening safari, and then is the night safari. So in total we have booked 3 safaris. So we are going to do 1 morning safari and 2 evening safaris. So we are going to leave for our very first safari today. My first experience with safaris. I have never been on a wildlife safari ever before, so I'm really excited about it. Let's see how it goes. We have reached our first gate, and this is called the Moharli gate, and there is some verification going on right now. That's the gate and that's the verification booth. So I guess once that's done, we can head straight inside. My hat fell off in the initial 2 minutes of the safari. I'm not going to wear it anymore. Thank you. क्या मिला?
टाइगर है टाइगर।
टाइगर है? इतना जल्दी मिल गया? We are done with the day 1 of our safari. It was truly a very good experience. It's the next day morning around 5:30 a.m. and we are all set for our morning safari. Fingers crossed this time as well, and hoping that we spot some tigers again.
What a beautiful morning.
Now you will see how I cover my hair and my face and everything, because there is so much dust over here that it's very much essential to do it. That's the only part of my face that's open, and everything else, even my hair and everything, is tied.
माय नेम इज अशोक, मैं कोर का गाइड हूँ। और यहाँ से अपन जिस गेट से एंटर किए, यहाँ से ये मोरली गेट स्टार्ट हो गया और यहाँ से कोर एरिया। तो ताड़ोबा अंधारी टाइगर रिजर्व जंगल का एरिया है 625.40 चौरस स्क्वायर किलोमीटर का है। कॉरिडोर बफर का जंगल का एरिया 1100 चौरस स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है, यानी टोटल 1700 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर में पूरा जंगल का एरिया है। और 2019 के काउंटिंग में यहाँ पे 115 टाइगर का काउंटिंग किया है और 45 लेपर्ड्स का भी काउंटिंग किया है। जैसे एनिमल्स में यहाँ पे दिखने वाले सांबर डियर, स्पॉटेड डियर, बार्किंग डियर, नीलगाय, स्लॉथ बेयर, वाइल्ड डॉग, वाइल्ड बोर, इंडियन गोर, अदर एनिमल्स भी दिखने का चांस होता है। पेमेंट करने के लिए 3 जोन डिवाइड किए हैं, ताड़ोबा, मोरली, कोलसा, और 6 गेट ओपन है। अपन जिस गेट से एंटर किए, यहाँ से लिमिटेड ऑनलाइन 20 व्हीकल छोड़ते हैं, बाकी 5 गेट मिला के 20 व्हीकल्स, यानी एक सफारी में 40 व्हीकल चलती रहती है। और इन व्हीकल्स में से कहीं ना कहीं व्हीकल्स को टाइगर साइटिंग हमेशा होती है। बट इतना है कि वॉकी टॉकी सिस्टम इसलिए दे नहीं सकते कि मान लो यहाँ से अगर 10 किलोमीटर पे टाइगर दिख जाता है तो सब गाड़ियाँ एक जगह पे आ जाएगी या टाइगर को डिस्टर्ब कर देगी। उसके कारण लग डिपेंड पे रखा है। नेचुरल जंगल है, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स है, इनका कोई टाइमिंग नहीं होता है, सडनली रोड पे आ जाते हैं। बट एक क्लब अपन जाने का और निकलने का टाइमिंग मैच हुआ तो टाइगर क्या बाकी एनिमल्स भी कहीं पे भी दिखने का चांस बन जाता है।
Just spotted leopard.
Same camouflage, no?
Yeah, camouflaging.
Sambar deer. Female sambar. उस तरफ तो spotted deer है.
We are having breakfast right in the forest. Mom is having poha. It's absolutely nothing at all.
ये कब से ये इस तरफ में आवाज नहीं नजीक भी आई ना आवाज नहीं करना.
Those are the two cubs and
One
that
mother.
side is the mother. Her name is Sonam. It was an insane morning today. Just when we entered, we spotted a leopard, and over here they say that leopard is really rare to spot. There are only around 10 to 15 leopard in entire Tadoba, so we really got lucky with it. The guide over here say that sighting one leopard is worth 10 tigers, and after that, when we were just leaving the park, we could spot 3 tigers, out of which one was the female tigress, and she had her 2 cubs with her, and it was just so insane watching it. Like they all 3 of them came walking right out of the forest. Morning safaris are really recommended over the evening one or the night one, because the weather in the morning is really good. It's pleasant even though it's summer right now, and the probability of spotting animals, different kind of animals, increases if you are doing a morning safari. So make sure if you visit Tadoba, you got to do maximum number of morning safaris that you can. In case if you guys haven't noticed, then today me and mom, we both are twinning. We randomly just picked up this top, and yeah, we thought of wearing it here in Tadoba because it matches with the theme. Right now we are on our way to the last safari, and the gate that we are going is around 1 hour away from where we are staying. This is the most scariest experience I'm going through right now, because this is a very different kind of a jungle. I don't know, there are very few people, and it's just very raw and dense. Also there are only 3 tigers over here, plus we have met some really weird people here, and now to make the situation worse, this car has also stopped working, so they have called some other car, but it's just very scary right now. That's the car which is coming. It's not allowed to get down in the forest, but we are here changing the car, so we have to get down. It's just 5:30 and we are out of the safari already. When we started with this safari, I was not getting any kind of good vibes, and it was too scary. And to be honest, I don't even think that there are any tigers inside this gate. So this gate is called the Mamla gate, so I wouldn't recommend anyone to do their safaris from this gate. I think the best gate to do your safaris is from Moharli gate. It's like 10 on 10. It's an end to the day 2, and it was a very thriller kind of a day. We had some crazy experiences. Also at the end of the day, these people at the resort, they celebrated my birthday, which is next week, and the chef especially made a cake for me, even though there is no proper bakery here. I really appreciate the efforts these people took. They arranged a proper candlelight dinner, made my favorite dish, and even a cake at the end. So it was really very sweet of them. Just so peaceful. It's the next day morning, and I think it's been like a routine now, and we were up way before, so we came here to watch the sunrise, and it is just so beautiful. For breakfast we have some cut fruits, idli, sprouts, sambar and poha. Previously we were sitting out, but then the weather is getting hot, so we came inside. It's our last morning here. We just had our breakfast and we are all about to leave. This trip has been an incredible experience. There are certain moments in your life that you never ever forget. I think there were a lot of moments in this trip that I'm going to cherish for the rest of my life. And actually this trip was very uncertain. There are a lot of things that I learned about wildlife in this trip. For example, all the tigers over here have different kind of names. I don't know why, but there is a reason behind naming each and every tiger. So we saw Sonam and GPS Collar. GPS Collar is called GPS Collar because they have tied a GPS around her neck. That's the reason she's called GPS Collar. And for Sonam, because there is S on her neck, so her name is Sonam. Different tigers have different names. There is Lara, Bajrang, Natrajan, and a lot of them. But over and all, it was really fun. So if you are a wildlife person, or if you like sighting tigers, animals, deers and different kind of wildlife, then I think Tadoba is the place to come. If you have enjoyed this video, then you know the drill. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, or if you haven't already. Thank you for watching this video. Lots of love and see you next time.